everyone, and welcome to your Monday Maths lesson. Today we are learning to understand the vocabulary numerator and denominator in our fractions. To be successful today, you should be able to recognise the numerator and the denominator in different fractions. So we're going to talk a little bit about the numerator and the denominator right now. So if you have a look up here at this fraction, you'll notice that I've named these parts right here on your fractions, though you won't see these names. You just have to remember them. So down here, we talk about the denominator. You can remember this by thinking D for down. That's how I remember it. So the denominator is the number that's at the bottom. And that one tells us how many parts are in the fraction. So how many equal parts. So this one says that we have 4 parts. That means that if you had a fraction, it should have 4 equal parts, just like this. The numerator is the number at the top of your fraction. So this one tells us how many parts are actually coloured in. So if we have 2, so 2 quarters would look like this, and you can see our denominator is 4. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, and we've got the 2, which is our numerator, and those 2 parts are coloured in, 1, 2. So we're going to have a look at some different fractions, and these are right here. So this one, we'll look at this and we're going to check if it's right first of all. So it says that our denominator, the number at the bottom, is 4. So we should have 4 parts in our fraction. So we'll count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that that's right. Our number 1 up here tells us that 1 part should be coloured in. So we have a look and we have 1 part coloured in. If we have a look at this fraction, it says that we have 3/16. So we're going to have a look and count. Let's first check how many parts we should have in our whole. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we know that that is right there. It says that we have 3 parts that should be coloured in. So we're having 1, 2, 3. So we know that that part is right. This one down here, it says we have 1/8. So we're going to check together. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. So we've got our 8 as our denominator. And up the top here, we've got 1 part coloured in. So that's our numerator up the top there.